Hi, welcome to eSpares. I'm Matt. In this video, I'll be showing you how to activate and deactivate the child lock safety feature on your LG washing machine. Now, the child lock safety feature shows up as CL on your LCD display screen. Now, this feature means that children cannot change any settings during a wash cycle. It also means that you cannot change any functions during a wash cycle yourself. But thankfully, it's very easy to activate and deactivate, and I'll show you exactly how to do that in this video. To activate the child lock safety feature, select the desired cycle and press play. And you can activate the child lock safety feature on this model by pressing option 1 and option 2 for 3 seconds. But the buttons should be indicated by a child's face symbol or a lock symbol, or perhaps both. Hold them for 3 seconds and you should see the CL code appear on your LCD display. And as you can see, when I'm pressing the buttons, I cannot adjust the wash cycle. Now, to remove the child lock safety feature, simply press and hold the 2 buttons once again. So there we have it, how to use the child lock safety feature on an LG washing machine. Now, other codes that might appear on your LCD display screen are error codes. Now, check out our video here to learn about LG washing machine error codes that will help you prepare for any eventualities in the future. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more repair guides, maintenance advice, and all other things eSpares. Thanks for watching.